Hi, this is on web server hacking. So things like ethical hacking. First thing you should understand about ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is one of the major area where everyone is focusing in say maintaining the security. The major problem is like nowadays trying to take or acquire the data is one of the major problem the entire market is facing. Considering I got the websites, so considering a website is there, it needs to be hosted somewhere. So if we are able to take this website, I want to hack the website, we can attack the server, or else take the website, go into the server and attack other websites. This is how the people are trying to enter into the web servers. Before that, you should understand about the server. Server is nothing but processing something. A person is serving something, they call it as server. Client is a guy who is asking something. My browsing center is there, I'm giving gmail.com, that's my client. And if we give gmail.com username and password, from somewhere my inbox is coming, that is called server. So in our case, if the server is available in internet web, they call it as web server. There are varieties of servers available like Apache, Tomcat, and lot of things are there. So search for a web server in Wikidigi code. I got a similar video in it. Just check it out and learn about web server, which is really important. So in this project, what I'm going to do it. So the module 1 consists of finding the IP address for a website. Give me the website. I'll give the IP address of the website where it is hosted. And on the other end, I entered that IP address to take out what are the other websites available in the server. So this is module 1, finding the IP address and finding other websites available in that server. That's going to the first module. And second module is like a type of servers. There are varieties of servers available. I'm trying to extract the history of servers. So that's our module 2, where I'm trying to get what is the technology used, what is the language, English, or what is the language used, apart from what kind of server and what is the state of the server, what kind of protocols, what is the character text format, everything I'm trying to grab it in my module 2. And in module 3, I'm trying to take out the protocols. You may ask me, what is protocol? The program or instructions which is given between you and me from the client and the server. See, actually I'm giving gmail.com. Something is going from here to over there, right? So they call it as HTTP request. And my inbox is coming, they call it as response. So what kind of versions they use and those information I'm trying to capture on process 3, module 3. And finally the port. See, I'm trying to give some coins to you. This is my hand. Via this one I'm going to give it. So via something I'm trying to send the data to the server and I'm getting something via something. Okay, so the point, the mediator between the computer and the internet world, they called as a ports. So there are almost more than almost 65,000 ports are available in a computer. So I'm trying to show you like I got a website which is hosted in a remote server. I'm trying to grab what are the open ports from through which I can enter into the server. So it's a kind of a port scanning to see where I can enter into the remote server. So this is our module 4. So a complete web server hacking is given here. This is really important. Try to implement it for your future job. Apart from that, our YouTube channel is Wikidigi Code. Just go there and see all the videos. Subscribe to our channel. Apart from that, a complete project and complete documentations, everything is given in wikidigi.com. Click projects icon. You are able to get everything. All the very best. Please share this to your friends and let's move on to the project. Thank you. Web server hacking with .NET. So in this project, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process, step-by-step procedure, installation, complete documentation, complete coding, and live steps. Everything at a shot I'm going to give it. So I'll go to this .NET icon and I'm searching for the project server hacking. So click it, you are able to see the entire part. So I got my abstract, existing and proposed system, what is the algorithm, architecture, system study, and we got the questions what you got, what is website, web server, types of web server, what is web hosting, protocol, everything is there. And if you come down, you are able to see the use case diagrams. You got the use case diagrams available, and use case diagram and system configurations, And libraries, this is one thing you should know. So libraries in the sense, so here is the libraries. You download the libraries. You download the library. So it's a zip file. It's a zip file. Download it and put it here. And you got your images. Download these images and put it here. Okay, create a folder in E drive or some drive and put this one, because we are going to use these images and this library in our future project in the upcoming video. Okay, on the other end, so libraries is really important, and this is the URL. Do not forget wikidigi.com/finalyearproject.net server hacking libraries. So go here, you are able to see the software installation part. So you got the video for installation and the step-by-step procedure. So go to Google, search for Visual Studio 2017 and click this one, install it, and click continue and install it. Those information are the, and you got your data flow diagram, activity, sequence diagrams. Let me check it out whether it's there. It looks good. So everything is there. So sequence diagram, use case, list of modules, and you got the modules and module diagrams. So module and module outputs and the module diagrams, and everything is there. Looks good. System testing, system implementation, everything is there. So the entire project, you are able to see it. Click at the index page, you are able to see the entire project, and clicking the introduction part, you are able to see the procedure. For completing this project, you need 3 hours of time. Who can do this for 10th standard, 12th or degree students? You need Windows 10 OS in your machine, and Visual Studio is the front end. Install it, download the libraries, learn your C# and everything, and start doing the project. Okay, on clicking this icon, you will be getting the video and you are able to do the project. And over here, you are able to see the videos in Wikidigi code. Wikidigi code, search for the project. See, computer hacking, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is another project, not this project. We are going to upload the web server hacking now. Okay, so go to Wikidigi code in YouTube channel and you can see all the videos. I think this video got 5 parts. Okay, so, and apart from this, so you can share this one to your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can contact us. And this is the project. This is the index page, and this is, so introduction part will give you details of the project. Okay, so let's start our coding part. Welcome to web server hacking. So I placed as server hacking. So obviously, like it's a kind of like the entry focus is towards web server hacking. Let's start it. Hi, welcome to wikidigi.com. Here is on web server hacking, a security measures project in .NET. So in this website, go to projects, click it. You are able to see the projects is down here. Clicking it, so you'll got a lot of projects. On clicking an individual project, you'll be getting the details how to do the project. Now let's start our web server hacking project. Now I'll go here, Visual Studio 2017. On clicking it, I got my Visual Studio opening. So over here, this is a path where I'm going to store it. File, new project, Visual C#, Windows Classic Desktop, Windows Form app. So I'll go here, I'll put this one, project 2, web server hacking. Over here, so web server hacking project. On clicking OK, you are able to create your project. If you go to that path, web server hacking is there, your project is ready. This is the one. This is the one. Okay, now this is the one. So let's start the project with a login form. So form 1, right click, rename. I'll make it as admin login form. It will ask for the changes, so click yes. Okay, so over here, this is a form. Save it. Now I need 2 text boxes. So I need 2 text boxes, 1 text boxes, 2. So I got two text boxes ready. Password. So right click properties, you got your user name and you need the password. Now I need a submit button and cancel button. So I got it here. So over here I got the cancel button. Copy and paste, I got my submit button. Okay, so this one is submit and this one is cancel. Okay, so right click properties, so click the form, right click properties. I need the background image. So before starting the project, you need the images folder which you need to download from our website, and this is the libraries folder where you need to download this library from our website. Okay, I got my images. Here is the image. I'll go here, I'll take this one, background image, click it, import. Let's try to take the image. Login hacking page. Looks good. So I got my login page ready. Okay, so right click, selected properties. What can I do? Flat style as flat, and the background color is transparent. So I got the form, like let me have another label, copy, paste it. So I'll make it as web server project login form. As monotype Kaashiv, so let me make it a bit more stylish. So I got the font. Let's remove this one. Right click properties. I got this one, none. Looks good. So right click properties. Let me change the color from black to maybe red. Okay, so let me have I think it's enough. For cancel button, let's write the code, double click it. So double click this one, you are able to enter the code. This dot close. Now I need the submit button. So what is the name of the text box? It's a text box 1 and this one is text box 2. If text box 1 dot text is equal to admin and text box 2 dot text is equal to admin. Okay, over here I need double equal to. Put this double equal to. Yes, looks good. Now if the condition with the text box 1 and text box 2 is admin, okay, so provide a message box dot show login successful, else okay, login unsuccessful, please check the password login credentials. get IP address by web server hacking. Now what we can do is like we'll move on to this form. Let's have the picture and we'll start our project. Okay, so I'm going to fetch the IP address. So this is the second module. Second module is to fetch the IP address of the website and grab any other websites available in that IP address beyond the original websites. So this is the area I'm going to concentrate now. Let's start it.